Hello, and welcome to the Guarantee Channel. Our team is always here to make videos to raise awareness. At times, we break away from the insanity of some of these cases and make videos about movies that are either based on real-life events or even movies based on real-life figures. Unfortunately, this video is not one of them. Today, we are going to talk about what attorney Victor M. Feraru's former clients are facing. According to complaints, Feraru's former clients are facing loss of money paid to Feraru and a lawyer who ran off with their money, leaving his clients lawyerless and destitute. Our team has received many complaints with the same exact claim. We have fact-checked these allegations, and they appear to be true. We also spoke with 3 different attorneys who are going after Feraru for malpractice, larceny, fraud, and negligence. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Victor M. Feraru, an attorney in New York, primarily practicing in Long Island, Kings, Queens, Nassau, and Suffolk counties. At times, he takes on cases in Westchester County. Victor the Dickster has found himself embroiled in numerous defamation lawsuits over the years. These lawsuits have not only impacted his reputation, but have also raised questions about the effectiveness of such legal actions in protecting our First Amendment rights to make complaints. Does this mean if we leave a bad review about McDonald's, for example, our hamburgers came out cold? Does that leave us consumers open to litigation? Victor the Dickster is being obnoxious, a crybaby, and a bully. Dude, calm your little ass down. You seem to be screwing people left and right. Take your medicine. The question is, why are you on a rampage taking money from vulnerable clients? Our team learned that a prominent attorney, whom is going to be nameless for now, is already looking into these allegations. This attorney has a reputation for assisting in putting other attorneys in prison that are doing the same thing you are being accused of. Since 2022, Victor M. Feraru has been involved in multiple defamation lawsuits as a plaintiff. These lawsuits filed by Victor the Dickster appear to be frivolous in nature due to his clients posting unsatisfactory reviews. According to Victor the Dickster reviews, he takes money from clients and abandons their cases without facing any recourse. Basically a license to steal, in our opinion. Censorship and legal intimidation have become prevalent tactics used in client defamation lawsuits, with attorney Victor M. Feraru at the center of many controversial cases. This video delves into the impact of frivolous lawsuits on clients' rights, the attack on the First Amendment, and the unethical tactics employed by Feraru, Victor the Dickster, to silence his clients. Victor M. Feraru has been known for aggressively pursuing defamation lawsuits against his former clients, often targeting individuals or organizations that criticize or speak out against him. These lawsuits are not only aimed at seeking financial compensation, but also at silencing dissenting voices. Frivolous lawsuits filed by Victor the Dickster Feraru not only waste court resources, but also have a chilling effect on free speech and public discourse. His former clients who face defamation lawsuits may be scared to speak out or express their opinions, fearing legal repercussions and financial ruin. Censorship and legal intimidation: how the First Amendment is under attack. The First Amendment guarantees freedom of speech and expression, yet censorship and legal intimidation tactics used by attorneys like Victor M. Feraru threaten this fundamental right. By silencing critics through litigation, individuals are discouraged from speaking out against powerful interests. Silencing clients: the tactics used by Victor M. Feraru. Victor M. Feraru employs various tactics to silence his clients' critics, including cease and desist letters, defamation lawsuits, and threats of legal action. These tactics create a climate of fear and intimidation, leading to self-censorship among those who may have legitimate grievances. Victor the Dickster is currently suing a special needs client. His name is Jason Sherrill. His case can be found on the Unified Court System. He spoke out against Victor the Dickster and his experiences. Jason Sherrill says that Feraru took his money and left his case without a trace, just vanished into thin air. Jason Sherrill made complaints to the Better Business Bureau, Google Reviews, and other platforms to voice his experience. Now this Dick, sorry, we mean Vic, has used his bully tactics and abuse of power to wot the court's time and bully a special needs man. Seriously, Dixter? What about lawsuits on your other victims? Adrian Munian, Hessam Gillikhani, or how about Ronald Broden? We hear that Ronald Broden's attorney, Kenneth F. McCallion, is embarrassing you in court. Analysis of the impact of defamation lawsuits on Victor M. Feraru's reputation. The continuous cycle of defamation lawsuits has undoubtedly had an impact on Victor M. Feraru's reputation. While some may argue that taking legal action is necessary to protect one's image, others believe that the litigation itself can further damage his public perception. Basically being known as Victor the Dixter, the lawyer bully money-taking bandit. Don't take our word for it. Look it up for yourself in the unified court system. Victor the Dixter has been sending out recusal letters to judges like Halloween candy. Comparison of defamation lawsuits involving Victor M. Feraru and other public figures. When compared to other public figures who have faced similar legal battles, BJ Corville is being sued for defamation due to her opinions. BJ is fighting the good fight, and the Guarantee team supports the First Amendment. More to come on BJ Corville. Please allow us to shout out her channel. BJ can be found on YouTube as That Surprise Witness and her other channel, BJ Investigates. She is awesome and a former attorney. BJ's links are in the description. Discussion on the effectiveness of defamation lawsuits in protecting one's reputation. The ongoing legal battles involving Victor M. Feraru raise important questions about the effectiveness of defamation lawsuits in safeguarding one's First Amendment right to make a complaint. While legal action can serve as a deterrent for those engaging in slanderous behavior, it may also draw unwanted attention to the allegations and perpetuate negative publicity. Hi, Victor the Dixter. Yes, we are talking about you. Future implications of Victor M. Feraru's history of defamation lawsuits. As Victor M. Feraru continues to navigate the complex world of defamation litigation, the long-term implications remain uncertain. The rise of censorship and legal intimidation in client defamation lawsuits, as exemplified by Victor M. Feraru's controversial tactics, poses a serious threat to free speech and individual rights. It is essential for stakeholders across the legal profession to uphold ethical standards and safeguard the principles of justice and democracy. Dixter, you are a dick. Instead of saying with a capital D, we are just going to say with a small d. Will these legal battles ultimately be dismissed by the court and destroy Dixter's reputation, or will they be the beginning of a criminal conviction? Only time will tell. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more content and updates. If you enjoyed our content, please like and subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell for new uploads. In the meantime, stay safe and stay aware.